want to show you how to upload a Word document from your account to Google Drive and then convert it into a Google Doc so you can edit it. So you're going to go to your Drive, make sure you're signed in, go New, File Upload, find that resume. Mine's already down at the bottom. So I'm going to go to my resume now, and then I will upload that document. Click Open. So now it comes in here and it's converted. When you open it, it will create an extension to this resume. So here's the resume. Okay, at this point it'll give me some options to do things to it. I can't change it up here because it's still not a Google Doc, so I can just close this out. I could do this. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna click on it, open with Google Docs. Save as a Google Doc. I can get rid of that. Now I can change this up here. Now I can edit this and it changes my name. So I'm gonna just change it to what you want to make it to. I'm just gonna put test resume for now. Okay, so now many of you guys have resumes that have a lot of empty space here, and you have bullets. You guys put bullets on the right side, or you have something that maybe looks like this where you have so much writing because you couldn't put bullets. There's different scenarios that are included in here, but you want to learn how to put boxes and put section where you want to put a box here with information, a box here with information, and you've done that in in Microsoft Word, but when you converted it here it made a mess of it. So this is what you do. If you were here, you will click enter there, click table, insert table, and then you'll do a 2x1 or 2x3. It's up to you. Okay, so 2x1, I have my information now in the box here. So this is what I do. I grab my first section. I am going to left click it, hold it, and drop them in there. I go to my next section, hold it, left click, and there they go. Okay, now you can extend these boxes wherever you want them. So if you want to align with this side, you can extend them. You want to align certain boxes with that side, you could extend them. You want to make this extend this way, it's up to you. Okay, so now many of you guys put these little designs at the beginning, but let's say you want to put bullets on all of them. Okay, you go to each one, whatever little design you had on there, you take off. All you do is go in front of it, and backspace and delete. And let's say I want to just put bullets on these, or numbers, it's up to you, but bullets is probably preferred. Go here, highlight them all. You're going to go to your bullets. Some of you guys are going to have a button that says more somewhere here. Under that more, you'll see the bullets. Click bullets, and there they go. There they are. Okay, now you guys see how this is coming down to the bottom line. The way I fixed that is I could extend that over to the right. Now it moves it over and sections that over there. Okay, so now there's a lot of gap here. I want to make sure I put that on there. And let's say I want to do the same thing to this one and this one because there's a lot of empty boxes over here. Once again, table, insert, 2x1. There's my information. I grab it, left click, hold, drop. Grab it, left click, hold, drop. And just like that, I have my boxes in there. Okay, so the same thing. You want to make sure that if this is where you want this box, maybe you want to move it there, it's up to you. And then you want to move that up there, it's up to you. but make sure your boxes are all aligned so your information is all in the same order. I want to make sure I align this with this and not necessarily this. Okay, so all these are, this one's aligned to this one and this information is aligned to that one. And maybe I want to align these bullets with this information. So you decide how you want to do this, but make sure that you have your bullet set up and those spaces in those gaps there. Okay, now once you're ready to get rid of these boxes, because these boxes don't look good on here, and let's say you were done with this, let's put one more bullet so you understand how that might work again. So table, insert 2 times 1, and I can grab those, drop them in there. I can grab those, drop them in there, and the same thing. I can align these to make sure that they align with the top, and you guys play around with this so you guys can make the alignments on your own. And I would look at it and I would say, okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna move it over. I'm gonna make those look there. Okay, you can change this however you want to set it up. It's your choice to make sure they all look alike. I might prefer to put a third one here and put whatever, something else here. Okay, just to make sure the formatting, 3 bullets on left, 3 bullets on right. And I just added one more, so then I can delete these. Now at this point, if I was done with this and I'm done with all my sections here, now it looks more like a full resume. Now I can do 2 things. I can highlight this, okay, those boxes, right click, go to, oh, they won't let me do them all at once. So then all I do is put my cursor in the box, right click, table properties, and you do the table border. You want to make it white. Now it disappears. Go in the box, right click, table properties, table border, white. Now it's gone. Right click, table properties, border, white. Now it's gone. Now every time you write in here, it's gonna write within the box. You guys see that? It won't go anywhere else. So if I click enter there, it's gonna put another bullet and another bullet and another bullet and so on and so forth. So now it doesn't move all your margins all over the place when you have your bullets. Now you could actually enter bullets within the column. All right, so this is the way you insert bullets. I've showed you how to upload from your Word document computer wherever you have it saved up to Google Drive, converting it to a Google Doc, and then changing the name up here, inserting boxes, inserting bullets. And this is the way you're going to fix your information, okay? Because your resumes may be moved out of place when they convert it to a Google Doc. So double check this and make sure yours looks something similar to this where you don't have so much white space here. All right, that is it.